If you're like most people, you probably have a few questions when it comes to Bitcoin ATMs. At CoinFlip, we're here to help. Essentially, a Bitcoin ATM is an internet-connected kiosk where customers like you can deposit cash to purchase Bitcoin and/or other cryptocurrencies. So, how do you use it? Well, first, locate a CoinFlip ATM near you. Once you've found an ATM, follow the steps below. Step 1. Select a cryptocurrency. Step 2. Accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Step 3. Enter your information and verify your identity. If you are not currently registered, you will receive an SMS text message to complete this step with your phone. Step 4. Scan your crypto wallet address if you're using an app. Select Receive to retrieve a QR code. Step 5. Insert cash and enter any discount codes. Step 6. Make your crypto purchases and have a great day. It's that simple. Ready to get started? Find a CoinFlip ATM near you by visiting coinflip.tech.